Alright, so here in this video, we'll be looking at this question. So the question that I have here is to calculate the percentage composition by mass of oxygen in carbon dioxide. Calculate the percentage composition by mass of oxygen in carbon dioxide. And the formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. So we're given the relative atomic mass of carbon to be 12 and the relative atomic mass of oxygen to be 16. So the first thing I would want to do in this question is to first of all write out the formula for calculating percentage composition. So percentage composition, the formula is percentage composition is equal to mass of the element, all right, over the molar mass of the compound, molar mass of compound, over the molar mass of the compound times 100 over 1. Percentage composition is equal to mass of the element over molar mass of the compound, all right, molar mass of the compound times 100 over 1. So the element here is oxygen, all right, because we are asked to calculate the percentage composition by mass of oxygen. So the element here is oxygen and the compound here is what? Carbon dioxide. So first of all, I would like to look for the molar mass of carbon dioxide. All right, so molar mass of carbon dioxide, CO2, is equal to C plus O2. All right, molar mass of carbon dioxide is equal to carbon plus what? O2, and that is what we have here, carbon plus O2. So this will be equal to the relative atomic mass of carbon is what? Is 12 plus the relative atomic mass of oxygen is what? 16 times the number of oxygen atoms that I have in this compound, which is 2. All right, so this will be equal to 12 plus 16 times 2 will give us what? Will give us 32. So 12 plus 32 will give us 44 grams. So the molar mass of carbon dioxide is what? 44 grams. Then the next thing is to look for the mass of the element. So the element in concern here is what? Oxygen, because we're asked to calculate the percentage composition by mass of oxygen. So the mass of the element is what? The mass of oxygen. So the mass of oxygen in this compound O2 is equal to, so the mass of oxygen is what? Is 32 grams, all right, 32 grams. This is the oxygen, 16 times 2, and that will give us 32, right? So it's 32 grams. So the percentage composition now, percentage composition by mass of oxygen will be equal to the mass of oxygen, which is what? 32 grams over the molar mass of the compound, which is the molar mass of carbon dioxide, and we calculated it to be what? 44 over 44 times 100 over 1. All right, so 32 times 100 equal to 3,200 divided by 44 will be equal to 72.72%. All right, so that is equal to 72.72 what? Percent. This is the percentage composition by mass of oxygen in carbon dioxide. All right, so again, this is a very simple calculation question. All right, so the main important thing for you to note in this calculation is to know the formula for calculating percentage composition. And the formula is percentage composition is equal to the mass of the element over the molar mass of the compound times 100 over 1. This formula is very important. All right.